What is good, y'all? It's your boy George back with another video, a quick video this time. I'm just doing a quick little review unboxing over this not new, but a vintage Patagonia fleece that I picked up on eBay. And I just want to go ahead and give you guys a just look and an unboxing, and I'll probably show you guys my other vintage Patagonia fleece that I have. So let's go ahead and crack this bag open real quick. So this fleece I got on eBay. I got it for like 50 bucks, I believe. And it's a vintage fleece from probably like the early 2000s. And oh man, it already feels great. And it's just this unique Patagonia print. Basically, it's like the turtleneck looking sweaters, but this feels incredible. And it's the Aztec print, which this is pretty rare and pretty hard to find a fleece with especially these type of prints. Any of the older Patagonia fleeces are very like hard to find now, and if you do find them, they're pretty pricey. I've seen these go for probably around 150 bucks just for this specific one, which I think this one came in 3 different colorways. But this is like a nice, we got the Aztec print with like olive green, some purples and some blues in there with a little bit of yellows. Just the color blocking on this sweater is just great. I will try on the sweater in a bit and let you guys know how the fitting is. I got a medium on these. Usually I'm a medium in Patagonia, so these it looks pretty good. Inspecting it, just making sure everything looks good. But it's in great shape for it being from the early 2000s. It still looks pretty, almost brand new, honestly. So let's go ahead and get closer into these detail shots, and we'll be right back, guys. So you saw a little bit of closer up details of the fleece, and I just want to give you guys another look into my other Patagonia fleece. And so this is the one we just saw from the early 2000s. This one's right here from the 90s. I believe the year was 1996. And this one is another rare Patagonia fleece with the sea turtle print, which another very sought after Patagonia print, which I really love this print. I love this color. I think I ended up paying almost 100 bucks for this one because this one's very hard to find too. But this one's a little bit different from that one. It's still like the turtleneck type fleece, but you have the Patagonia logo at the top, and you got these 2 buttons instead of the zipper like on that one. You got also at the bottom, it's like elastic when the other one is just sewn in. And this one actually fits a lot smaller than that one does. It's a lot shorter. I'm guessing it was a sizing from the 90s or something. But let me know which one you think look better, guys. What fleece do you prefer, the see-through print or the Aztec print? And just let me know in the comments down below. But what are you guys into? Vintage Patagonia, any Patagonia? Like, if you're into that, just let me know. Show me what you guys got. I'd definitely like to see some crazy Patagonia collections. That'd be pretty cool to check out. But that's about it for this video, guys. It's just a quick little video. Just wanted to show you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.